Do you know something? People born in 1980 are very smart and intelligent, and we are so lucky to have you in 1980. Self-made and caring nature that defines ourselves, which makes us very proud.
Happy naughty 40.
May you be naughty for another 40. Love you.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Hi bro, many happy returns of the day today. Wish you a happy 40th birthday. If somebody calls you old today, then hit them by the candies which you will be getting today. Wish you all the success and happiness in life. Have a great day. Enjoy.
Many happy returns of the day, Gaurabai. If anyone deserves a pile of presents, we think it's you. Know that we all appreciate you and everything you do for the family. Once again, happy birthday, Gaurabai. Stay blessed, party hard. Gaurabai, we have special surprise for you.
Hey bro, it's a special surprise. Somebody else wants to wish a happy birthday too. Just have a look.
You've been voted number one at everything. No matter what you do, you seem to be number one. I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. I would never say in your case that you're fired because you're doing too well. So I'll just say you're hired. You're a spectacular guy. You have a long way to go.
Hey bye, many happy returns of the day. Have a great year ahead. सु भाई आज तो मस्ती एकदम हाँ
हैप्पी बर्थडे गौरव भैया
મારી તરફથી પણ એક બે લઈ લેજે ભાઈ ઠીક છે નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ તું દુબઈ આવે ત્યારે મળશું યા તો હું ચેન્નઈ આવી જઈશ ભાઈ ચાલ બાય
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gaurav Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday Gaurav. Enjoy your 40th. Have fun.
And stay safe.
Hi Gaurav bhai, wishing you a very happy birthday. Cheers and lots of beers to your 40 years.
Hey bro, wish you a very happy 40th birthday. How does it feel being 20 the second time around? Don't worry about the increasing wrinkles. Remember, you're still foxy at 40. Hope you have a wonderful day. And Bobby, don't spoil the old man too much. Bye.
Bye bye, take care.
Hi Gaurav, many happy returns of the day. Have a rocking day.
Wait, you were turning 40. Guess it's time for
Rocking chair instead. Bye.
Hi Gaurav, this is Mitesh.
And of course it's me Mansi. I hope you remember me.
I wish you very happy 40th birthday.
And don't worry. I know you will be 40, but age is just a number and you still look like 21. So enjoy your day and hopefully see you soon at some point. Enjoy.
See you, bye.
Bye. Bye.
Happy 40th birthday, bye. In the spirit, I think, we all are wearing white and you can see my jeans right here. And 40th, my God, I think time flies. I don't know what the tissue paper is for. I think you might need it after, a couple of drinks or more, I guess, because after 40, that's all you can handle, I guess. Bye. But happy birthday again. Enjoy. Hope to see you soon. Come here soon. Take care.
Chalman, I'm calling Gaurav bhai.
Yes, I'm coming. Hey, that's my
Come
t-shirt.
first. Okay, fine. I know it's your t-shirt, but you don't need to tell this in front of Gaurav bhai. He already calls me Daku.
Okay.
I'm calling him anyway.
બોલ ચટક શું કરે છે ચકલી ચટકુડી એક કાંદા એક ફૂંક મારીશ ને પગોડામાં જઈને પહોંચી જઈશ ચમન સેન્ટ લલ્લુભાઈ તારી સ્કૂલનું નામ છે સેન્ટ લુઈસ નહીં
What's that?
Nothing. That was just my mind that was speaking so loudly about him because yeah, these are the names that I am addressed by him. Yeah, anyway, but then I understand he loves me, he cares for me, and these are just a form of love by him. Anyway, let's call him.
Let's call. Yeah.
Hi, bhai.
Hey,
Happy
bye.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Welcome to 40s. All excited.
Yeah.
All right. Hope you have a great day. Enjoy. Bye bye.
Hi, how are you? Many happy returns of the day. Happy 40th birthday. Enjoy your day. A great time, Pintu. Urf Gaurav. Yeah, have a great time. God bless you. Bye bye. Take care.
Hey, on your 40th बर्थडे मेरी तरफ से तुझे एक सलाह। संध्या का समय है, कीर्तन पे मन लगाओ। संध्या का समय है, कीर्तन में मन लगाओ। सास बहू के झगड़े छोड़ो, बस बाटली उठाओ। हैप्पी बर्थडे दोस्त।
Wish you a very happy 40th birthday. This day you enjoy and have a blast. In school we used to call you Bartley. So I would wish that on this 40th birthday you have 40 Bartleys of beer and enjoy. I have a very fond memories of our school days when we used to stand outside of the school and have a blast. Those drama competitions where I used to participate with our entire team and do the annual competition. Continue and enjoy and have a great day.
Hey Gaurav, how are you, man? Happy birthday. Have a great day. I'm sure it's a rocking day. Shraddha has painstakingly put together this compilation. The day has already started very well, I'm sure. And it will be a great day. It's been a long time, met you. I think about the school days back in the day. I remember you were one of the front benchers consistently in the school, unwillingly of course, but nonetheless that's how it was. Were you Naina Mrs. favorite? Do I remember it correctly? You were one of her favorites, right? What a character she was, man. yeah, but what fun we had together, having all the samosas, dabelis, sandwiches outside school. The dabeli wala is still there, by the way, and the taste is still the same. Do check it out when you're around in the area, and I really look forward to meeting you when you're in Mumbai. And stay safe and keep rocking. Have a nice day.
Hi Gaurav, wishing you a very happy birthday. Happy 40th though. We all are turning 40 this year. May you progress in life, flourish in life. You have a wonderful family. We met last in 2003, I guess, in Zenta. It's really long time that we've not been seeing or met each other. Hope to see you soon and hope you enjoy your 40th birthday with the surprises that Shraddha has done for you. Commendable wife, and this is a birthday wish for you. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi Gaurav, wish you a very happy 40th birthday and welcome to the club.
Needless to say that you will continue being naughty even after 40. Jokes apart, Gaurav, I know you since school days, but however we became good friends after school. And since then, the person I know in you is someone who is a happy-go-lucky guy, who lives life and every moment of it to the fullest. I think I have something for you which truly defines you as a person. Talented, terrific, tremendous and top-notch. Cheers to your 40s and wish you a very happy birthday once again. And keep up the spirit. Cheers. Bye.
Hey Bartley, how are you? Wish you many happy returns of the day. So 40th birthday, entering the 40s. પણ એકે એંગલથી 40s જેવો તો તું લાગતો નથી. બાટલીથી બહુ બધી મેમરીઝ જોડાયેલી છે આઈ થિંક સો. સ્કૂલ ટાઈમ્સથી બાટલી બોય and I don't know તને કેટલું યાદ છે પણ I still remember those days બહાર જઈને ઓલી લંબુની સેન્ડવિચ ખાવાની અને ટાઈમ પાસ વિરલ કીર્તન મિતેશ I don't know really તને કેટલું યાદ છે પણ I hope you come fast to Bombay અને ફટાફટ એક મીટિંગ કરીએ. કોરોનાના હિસાબે we all are very far, so I think this medium is very good to wish you, and I think you should thank to your wife taking initiative and doing such a good surprise for you. Anyways Bartley, you carry on and you have a nice day, a good year ahead. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Thank you.
Hi Gaurav, it's about time to celebrate the victory of a small microorganism 41 years back, which has now resulted in you becoming a 40-year-old individual. And 40 obviously is just a number. And I still remember an incident from school which was, which has etched in my mind. This is a time when Susan Miss was our teacher, and I think Kunal and you were involved in this incident, and I was just a mute spectator. So apparently you must have done some masti, and Susan Miss got really pissed off at you, and her point to you was that your name doesn't suit you. Really, I'm really sad that your name doesn't suit you. And the immediate quip from Kunal was that ma'am, but his other name suits him. अभी अदर नेम वाला कॉन्सेप्ट थोड़ा पूछ लेना सबके और सबको बता देना थोड़ा कि क्या है. बट really wishing you a very happy birthday, and I am in dress code. You can have a look. I'm in dress code. So happy 40th. Bye.
Happy 40th birthday. 40 is the new awesome.
Remember, you're just 18 with 22 years of experience. Happy birthday once again, Gaurav.
Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Gaurav. Happy birthday to you.
Hey Gaurav, hey buddy, hope you're doing well man. 20 साल हो गए अपनी दोस्ती को यार, क्या बोलूँ. Time flies. You still remember the days and you think about Santa Cruz. सबसे पहले मेरे को तेरी याद आती है. What fun we used to have. एकदम धमाल every single day. मस्ती करते थे, मज़े से रहते थे. क्या दिन थे यार. Even back then, one thing that really stood out about you was how fun-loving you were. And I still know that you are equally fun-loving even now. And also, you were one of the most hardworking people in the room. तो सुबह 4 बजे उठ के पूना जाता था यार काम के लिए. Man, that was an inspiration. You don't know that, but that was an inspiration. जब मैं CA की पढ़ाई कर रहा था, that was one special thing that I used to think about all the time. यार मेरा दोस्त अगर सुबह 4 बजे उठ के वो पूना जा सकता है तो मैं पढ़ाई क्यों नहीं कर सकता सुबह जल्दी उठ के. And it was seriously, it was a big inspiration for me, and I'm sure that it rubbed off on other people also. I know even today, and I believe this, that even now you're the one of the most hardworking people out there, and I wish you every success, the best of everything, Gaurav, sincerely. And I also wish you great health ahead, right? Lots of love from the family and everything good, right? Now there is a special message from all of us here, and I hope you like it.
Hi Gaurav, wishing you a very very happy birthday, brother. Mota bhai, you are turning 40 years old, man. How time flies, brother. I just was remembering the other day how we had landed up in Chennai at the time of your wedding. So masti kari thi yaar. It was real dhamal time. Also, I really miss you during outings when we go in Mumbai at night on Saturdays and Fridays. How yaar, jaldi. It will be so awesome together. Anyways, this is something to wish you. Wish you a very very happy 40th birthday, bhai. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful year ahead. Take care, bro. Bye.
બરાબર વાંચવા દે લોકોને.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gaurav. Happy birthday to you. Hello Gaurav, this is 27th August 2020. Nothing to cheer about for the year 2020, but certainly to cheer about, it is your 40th birthday. Fabulous 40. Not yet 40, clap your hands. I am very happy that it is your 40th birthday and you are all celebrating and I won't be there. 40th is a new awesome year. Don't think of it as your 40th birthday, but think of it as your 20th anniversary of 20th birthday. Remember, you are never too old to act like an idiot. Well, happy 40th birthday again. Welcome to the Viagra years. I am so proud to have you as a friend, and cheers and wish you all the best. Be blessed always. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Gaurav. You are 40. Imagine that. Who would have thought? But if it's any consolation, I'm going to think of you as forever 28. So I know forever 18 is what you would like it to be, but let's settle for 28. Have the most awesome 40th. Remember, 40 is the new 20 and the best is yet to come. Have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic year. And I know you probably are still sulking, but you're 40 and I think it's high time you forgive me. So once all this is over, hopefully I will make the effort to come and see you, and you owe me a special 40th treat. So have the nicest day, have the nicest year, and I know you may not believe it, but I really do love you. Okay, bye.
Goodbye 30-30 and welcome the 40s, brother. It's a big cheers for you, my man. Wish you a very happy 40th. Mita, I wish you all the very best. Let's make it happen. I know this is a different year to turn 40 in COVID times, but I hope you change all the luck for all of us, man. Happy birthday and a big cheers to you, man. Happy birthday.
Hi Gaurav. wish you a very happy birthday. It's your milestone birthday. We hope this birthday brings you lots of joy, happiness and success. So a big happy birthday from all of us here.
Happy birthday Malvania, happy 40th. Love to celebrate it with you, but obviously with this situation can't do it. Next time when we meet for sure. So enjoy your day, today is your night. Happy birthday.
You know you're 41.
You can't walk past a bathroom without thinking, I may as well pee while I'm here.
Getting lucky means a shorter wait at the doctor's place. You turn down the light to be economical instead of romantic.
Your back is more hairier than your head. You have a party and the neighbors don't even realize.
Happy hour is a nap. Someone offers a seat on the bus and you don't refuse.
An all-nighter means not getting up to pee.
Okay, then what do you tell Gaurav for to cheer him up?
Well, the best thing about being 40 is that you've done all the stupid stuff long before the internet came into being.
A little grey hair is a small price to pay for so much wisdom. You're 1 year closer to getting the senior citizen discounts.
You can call it a senior moment and get away pretty much with anything.
If grey hair is a sign of wisdom, then you're a genius, Gaurav. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gaurav. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Gaurav.
Happy birthday, Gaurav.
A super fun moment with you, Gaurav, was in Mumbai, in this Onto's pub, your second home. We were there and you requested the DJ to play one of these songs that I like a lot, One and One by Robert Miles. That was awesome. And after that, we had roadside pav bhaji at 2 a.m. And then you were like, what next? And I was like, really? Are you serious? And you were like, yeah, we've just got started. Happy birthday, Gaurav. Have a great 40th birthday. Cheers.
Hi Gaurav bhai, wishing you a very happy birthday. 40 is just a number. You're 18 with 22 years of experience. Have a great year and a great day ahead.
Happy birthday Gaurav. As usual, by your age I have always envied you with your outlook. So may you stay healthy and be blessed with blissful health all year through forever. Happy birthday, have a fantastic birthday ahead.
So भाई सॉरी couldn't sit down and make a proper video for you. मगर मैं बहुत सारे वीडियोस देख रहा था जो लोग बोल रहे थे कि oh you should look like you're 16, oh you're 20 plus 20, भाई तो 2 years plus 38 years experience है. भाई सब उल्लू बनाते मामू, 40 का है तो 40 हो गया है, एक्सेप्ट कर ले और 40 की तरह चिल मारेंगे, 40 की तरफ पार्टी करेंगे, वो बनता है. ये लोग सबसे बोलेंगे हाँ you're 20 plus 20, you're just 40 bro, don't worry. और चिल करने का बहुत टाइम है और मस्ती मारने का बहुत टाइम है. अपन 40 वाली मस्ती करेंगे ना, राइट? टेक केयर, गॉड ब्लेस, हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन. शैल सी यू सून, टेक केयर, बाय.
Happy birthday Gaurav Masa. Happy 40th birthday. Have a great year ahead.
Happy 40th birthday Gaurav. Don't be naughty, Shraddha won't be able to handle 2 naughty brats. Have a wonderful day, an amazing year ahead and a beautiful life. All the best. Take care. Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday Gaurav. Have a great year ahead.
Hi Gaurav. The first 40 years of childhood are always the hardest.
wishing you a fun, foxy and a fabulous 40th birthday.
And remember, very few legends were born in 1980. So wishing you a happy 40th birthday again. Have a good day. Bye.
Hey Gaurav!
Happy birthday!
Have a fabulous 40th. I'm forced to use the F word on you, so have a fantastic 40th birthday. Don't let your mind daggle to what F word I'm going to use. So have a foxy one, and we are not very far away. What do you say?
2020, yeah, 40 is the new 20.
40 is the new 20.
Stay cool.
So stay cool. God bless you.
Bye. Happy birthday.
Hey Gaurav, I really don't understand this 40 naughty and all, man. I think we've always been naughty. We will continue to be that way. Probably it's just an official time that these people want us to grow up and start behaving like teenagers now.
Yeah, you can be naughty, but only with Shraddha. Remember that. Age is just a number, Gaurav. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Stay blessed always.
Keep rocking, keep partying like you always do, brother.
Party
God
hard.
bless.
Bye.
ये ले, ये पकड़। आज मेरे चालू हो गया, बहुत बड़ा आदमी।
Hello, how are you?
खाना इधर
Where to go?
उधर है, इधर नहीं, इधर टेबल कुर्सी है ना, इधर बैठ सकता है।
How are you? How are you doing today? What would you like to eat? Would you like to try the Russian salad, the French fries, the tacos?
मेरे को खाना खाना, ये सब नहीं खाना।
सर यहाँ पे ये खाना मिलता है, रशियन सैलड है, फ्रेंच फ्राइज है, टाकोस है। आप क्या लेना पसंद करेंगे?
एक आप ये सब छोड़, ये सब बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद मेरे को। ये अंग्रेजी आइटम बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं। एक आपको 3 प्लेट सेवपुरी, 2 प्लेट भेल और 1 प्लेट पाव देगा क्या?
सर ये सब यहाँ नहीं मिलता है, इट्स अ 5-star होटल सर।
तो क्या मिलता है? सिर्फ टेबल कुर्सी पे कर सकती है।
That's why I told you. रशियन सैलड है, फ्रेंच फ्राइज है, टाकोस है।
ये एक काम कर, ये सब छोड़ दे। देखो जो अच्छा लगता है वो लेके यार। मेरे चाचू का बर्थडे है, बहुत बड़ा दिल वाला है। 40 का हो गया पता है, फिर भी सलमान खान से ज्यादा स्मार्ट और मस्त दिखता है पता है। जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी। अच्छा एक काम कर, इधर ये पंखे से
सर एयर कंडीशन इज ऑन, एसी चालू है सर।
अच्छा देखो ना।
Hey Chachu, happy 40th birthday. I'm sure you liked the video and how you're smiling right now. Please keep smiling and hope you liked the video. It was like a funny skit that me and Dad tried to make. So thank you so much for watching and hope you liked it. And I really miss you, love you and stay smiling. Happy 40th birthday.
Hi Gaurav, wish you a very very happy birthday. I really can't believe that you're 40 years old. Seriously, you look like what, 39 years younger?
Hey Gaurav, happy birthday. Hope you enjoyed 40 years of your childhood. Cheers mate.
Happy birthday, Golden Uncle. Don't be naughty and 40.
Happy birthday, Gaurav. Happy 40th birthday in lockdown
Not
year.
40th, it's the 39.95 plus taxes birthday. Enjoy.
Enjoy. Have a great year ahead.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
कौन सा बनाऊं, छोटा कि बड़ा, 60 या 30? जल्दी बताओ, बहुत देर हो गई है।
Happy birthday, Gaurav. Bless you.
Hi brother, how are you? Have a great birthday, 40. I think just another new 20 for you, have a great year ahead, stay blessed and more importantly, have double the action, and Shraddha help him with that, seriously, he needs it, I think he'll feel really good after this, and many more great years for you, both of you to come, have a great life.
Hi Gaurav, wish you a very happy birthday and God bless you.
Let me first greet you on your 40 naughty birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you, dear. It's my immense pleasure to have you in our family, more than a son-in-law as my son. I would like to thank you for keeping my daughter more happier than we have ever seen her. Wishing a responsible man, a loving husband, a doting father, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday જમાઈ રાજા. વર્લ્ડ બેસ્ટ જમાઈ રાજ તો છો જ, પણ એનાથી સૌથી વધારે મારી દીકરીને એટલી હેપી રાખી છે અમે ધાર્યું પણ નહોતું. વર્લ્ડ બેસ્ટ ફાધર પણ છો કે જે રીવાનું તમે બહુ ધ્યાન રાખો છો, અને સન બી છો કે મારા સેકન્ડ સનની જેમ તમે કરો છો. મારું ફેમિલીનું બી ધ્યાન રાખો છો, તમારા ફેમિલીનું બી ધ્યાન રાખો છો. હેપી બર્થડે ગૌરવભાઈ.
Happy birthday!
Jovial, invincible, joyous, unwavering. This is Jijo to me. From all the parties that we've gone, late night shit that we've done together, long drives, I remember a lot of things, lot of happy memories, rather very good memories. Can you let me talk once, please?
Can I talk?
Happy birthday, Jiju. Here, my husband wants to talk.
Hi Jiju, this is my way of telling things. Legends, huh? New sexy. So when are we partying next?
So wishing you a very colorful happy birthday.
Love you, Papa. You are the best daddy in the world. Mwah.
Today in the morning when I woke up, I realized you're getting old. I saw a few more extra grays, a few more wrinkles. Then I realized, oh, you turned 40 today. And then they say 40 is the new 20. They often lie. Just kidding. You're getting old, but you still kept the looks. You're the coolest, wisest, ageless 40-year I know. And I'm still head over heels for you, and I always will be. You are the best decision I've ever made. Happy birthday, hubby. And cheers to another 40 more. Love you. And ta-da!